Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily make stickers bigger in Snapchat. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have your photo here. I just did photo of my carpet and just click here on stickers and just find whatever. I don't know, I'm going to insert these 3 hearts here. And what you want to do is just double click on it and just zoom in or zoom down. You can like zoom in like this and you got it. Then you can just delete it and just let's click it again. And voila, you better work. And again, you can rotate it, make it bigger, make it really small. Again, double fingers and small and big, really easy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.